Hello everyone. Today I'll show you two completely useless settings that drain your battery significantly, but you don't use them. The problem is that they're enabled by default, hidden away in the settings, and few people know where to turn them off. These settings directly impact battery life. Yes, there are actually a lot of different battery-related settings, but I'm showing you two important features that you should double-check. Personally, I disable them. To do this, you need to go to the standard settings and find the location option. It's at the bottom. Go ahead. And then there's an option called geolocation. Go there. There are a bunch of other settings here, but you're specifically interested in searching for Wi-Fi networks. It will be enabled by default. Allow apps and services to search for Wi-Fi networks, even when Wi-Fi is off. Well, imagine turning off your Wi-Fi when you leave the house. And at that very moment, your Wi-Fi is actually on. And in stealth mode, it's constantly searching for all networks. So, there are stores around you. Everyone has computers and laptops at home, also connected to Wi-Fi. And all of this is in stealth mode. And, of course, this constant, useless searching drains your battery. So, you turn it off. Even if you find all these networks, they're useless. They all require passwords. And even if you go somewhere where you know the password, well, you just turn on Wi-Fi and connect. Then you go back. There's exactly the same setting, called Search for Bluetooth Devices. Allow apps and services to search for a device nearby, even when Bluetooth is off. It's the same situation here, only worse. Well, imagine your Bluetooth is off and you go outside. These days, almost everyone has Bluetooth headphones connected. Some use smartwatches, fitness trackers, and they're all connected via Bluetooth. So, you go out and find all these people. It's a completely useless setting. In short, even if you use these devices yourself, disabling this setting will keep everything working as it always has. But if you need to find someone or send something, well, as usual, just turn on Bluetooth and send the information you need, a photo, a video, whatever. After that, your battery will drain less, and you'll notice a positive increase in battery life.